See, that cannot be blamed the government. Can we blame the parents if any children doing for the drug abusers? Can we blame the parents? So that is the personal choice of the one individual. We cannot blame the government like that. That's very wrong.
Bahaya ki yang ba, kung in kano ikimik pala na kikon ki hapo ka drugs. And the same thing is kung in kano government na nagad excessive use of drugs hapo ka staging ka he. I totally disagree. Ni day ban kano ikimik pa. First of all, ni day ban kano ikimik pala na kikon ki hapo ka drugs. Na mana ba kao yo kon ni ka kon. Ikimik pa kila fully responsible iki. Kung na bakin pinimiki, kung na bakin pinhikay banyat banyang iki, kung na bakin yat no, kung kabasniyo ka ha moral sense ko jangki, banhikay ka manners ko jangki, ka discipline ko jangki, ka imlang ka sa alam ka society, make pa are fully responsible for that. Government is the same thing. Kaya ikabadya po ka state, government is fully responsible for that. Pagpinbiyay ka law, order, and policy, government is responsible for it. Pagpinbiyay ka law enforcement, yaki security, man check yaki import, export, yaki import, na kung naging drugs sa import, kipoy po ka state ko jangi, government is responsible for it. Lada ko government kakwa, haka she made kalaban kami kiniki drugs smuggler, kiniki drugs mafia po ka state ko jangi. Ito kamong ibahe kang naman taba, kung na yung government, means ko government kamkwa ba consumer responsibility kita barakon. Na kamkwa consumer responsibility kita, government ka diban hiyar no ikasid yung ki. Ang ikito ki ministers barakon, hiyar no ikasid ka yung ki. Resign na natabasid. Ay ki brio ki pakwa pan ka roy ka par ka yung pa pa state ka yung ay na ikito ki brio ki pakwa ikata. If him not siya banlong ki caretaker ng taki public, it's easy to resign. Let somebody else who wanna take care of the public do it. Easy and simple.